In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time format in Freshbooks. This quick update helps make your timesheets, timers, and invoices easier to read, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Start on your Freshbooks dashboard. From the main navigation, head to the Invoices section. This puts you in a familiar part of the app and gives you access to the menu we need. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area. This is usually your avatar or business name. Click that to open the account menu. From that menu, choose Account Profile. This is where FreshBooks keeps your global preferences, including how dates and times are displayed across your account. Once you're on the Account Profile page, scroll down through the settings. You're looking for a section labeled Time Format. It's typically grouped with other display or localization preferences, and it controls whether times appear in a 12-hour format with AM and PM or in a 24-hour format. Next, click the drop-down for Time Format. You'll see the available options, 12-hour and 24-hour. Pick the one that matches how you and your team prefer to read the clock. If you often share reports or invoices with clients who expect AM and PM, the 12-hour option keeps things familiar. If you work across time zones or want a clear, unambiguous display, 24-hour time can reduce confusion. After you've made your selection, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This step is important. Your new preference won't apply until you save. Once saved, FreshBooks updates your account so that time entries, timers, and related timestamps display in the format you chose. You may see a brief confirmation message letting you know your account profile has been updated. That's all there is to it. By adjusting the time format in your account profile, you ensure a consistent, readable time display throughout your FreshBooks experience. A couple of quick reminders as you wrap up. Your choice applies across your account, so you'll see it reflected the next time you view or create invoices, review timesheets, or use the built-in timer. If you collaborate with others, aligning on a single time format can help reduce back and forth and eliminate misunderstandings. Thanks for following along. With this simple change, your FreshBooks workflow becomes clearer and more consistent, letting you focus on your work instead of translating timestamps.